विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गोवा शिपयार्डान चिखलेच्या कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलाक सुमार 100 डेंग्यू तपासपी मशिनां दिल्यात. वास्कोत डेंग्यूचे वाडते प्रमाणाक लागून गरीब आनी गरजूवंत लोकां खातीर हाचो उपेग जावचो हो ह्या फाटलो गोवा शिपयार्डाचो हेतू आसलो. वास्को लागसरच्या खाजगी कंपनींनी अशे तरेची मदत करची असो उलोय वास्कोचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान मारला. आरडीएक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
I want to thank Goa Shipyard. Commander Nagpal has come. He is one of the directors there, and I want to thank him personally on behalf of citizens of Vasco. I want to thank them, Goa Shipyard, on behalf of the poor people of Vasco. Shipyard and newspaper cuttings zone, and on a phone call that they have stepped forward. I mean, I think Shipyard kind of buran ka galuna letter galuna ki amka ye di or amka kits di. It is only on a phone call that Dr. Prabhu is there with me now. On a phone call that he has communicated to his higher ups, to his director, and then this has happened. I want to appeal today to all the other business houses. See, Shipyard has come forward and has adopted 2 wards of the municipal council, 3 wards, almost 2.5 wards. Shipyard has given us, Shipyard has adopted 1 road from Chikalim till the station, till I think IOC thanks. And the Shipyard has come forward on the many occasions. I am today publicly appealing, as appeal Kota, all the business houses in Vasco, please come forward like how Shipyard has taken the lead. And once again, I want to thank Commander Nagpal, who has come here with me, along with his team, and Dr. Prabhu is there. I want to thank Shipyard again, and I hope Shipyard will support us also in the future.
We have adopted 3 wards, ward number 15, 20, 21, and for that also I must say that Honorable MLA has been regularly following us, and we are very happy that we will be able to maintain these wards. Besides this, we have also, as part of our corporate social responsibility, have adopted a ITI at Vasco. We have also developed a center of excellence. And also, there are a number of initiatives, like Honorable MLA said, that we have adopted a road here, which is from the Andrew Junction to the airport junction. And it all gives us great happiness to work for this city. It is because of the because of the people of this city that today we are performing very well as Goa Shipyard.
We will use judiciously whatever kits are given to us, because we cannot simply waste them also. They are given to us, they are valuable kits, we have to make good use of them. So what we are going to do is, as far as possible, we are going to use it for BPL patients, means below poverty line patients, say laborers, migrants who are mostly suffering from dengue. We will be using basically for them. And we will keep a record of all the kits for which patient we are using. We will keep a note of it. And we'll definitely keep track on what we are doing.